Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. So this week we go out into the town, places, directions, and time. So just name one place in your town. Town mean your city. For example, in my place or my area, a park. So before going further, a quick review of last week. So you just have to explain in 1 to 2 minutes loudly. Now we are moving forward. So today we learn to describe a town using two very useful phrases. There is and there are. By the end, you will describe your own area in 4 or 5 sentences. Let's start with the places. So in a town, we have a bank, a hospital, a school, a market, a park, a restaurant, a pharmacy, a supermarket, a bus stop, and a mosque or church. So you have to speak all these words after me, such as where do you buy medicine? A pharmacy. Where do you catch a bus? A bus stop. And where do children learn? A school. Now the grammar. To say something exists, we use there is for one thing, and there are for many things. There is a park near my house. There are two schools in my area. Okay. So listen, there is a bank. There are three restaurants. For the negative, we say there isn't or there aren't. It's mean or not or is not. There is not a cinema in my town. There are not any parks. To ask, is there a bank near here? Yes, there is. Or no, there isn't. And we use a or an for one, some for many. So pronunciation, there's or the. So there is become there's fast and natural. Feel the. I also told you before in my previous lecture. So th, if you want to generate that sound, so you have to put your tongue between teeth, and then you have to pronounce the. So this is a bank. Sorry, there is a bank. There is an old market. There are some shops. So, such as you can see bank, b. This is a consonant sound, so that's why we added a before bank. So, an old market, is a vowel sound, so that's why we added n. There is an old market, and we are talking about many shops, so that's why I have mentioned here there are some shops. So some shows to plural. A consonant sound shows to one and also shows one singular, and some is used for many. So if I explain my area to you, so I can say there is a big market near my house. There are two schools and a small park. There is not a hospital near my house, but there is a pharmacy. So now you have to practice according to your hometown. So this is a practice drill. One could be a person A, the other one could be person B, and you will do this practice. Person A, is there a bank near your house? Person B, yes, there is. It's next to the market. Person A, are there any parks? Person B, yes, there are two. And you? Person A, there aren't any parks near me. Person B, but there's a big supermarket. So this is a practice drill for you. So you have to spend 1 minute for this. So after this, you will make a practice session with your partner. So ask, is there or near your houses? So you can ask different questions, and one of you can ask question and the other one can give answers. So, and the number fourth point, report one difference between your town. You can explain in comment as well. And here you have to tick mark what are the things that is in your town. For example, if you live in a village, so it could be possible that there would not be a hospital over there or cinema. So you have to tick what is in your town. You will cross those things which is not in your town, and you will tick good which things are in your town. So this is a quiz, and you have to do it and you have to give answers in comments box. So here are common mistakes that mostly people do. Number one, there is two shops. No, but you will say there are two shops. Number two, there are a park. No, because you are talking about a single park. So you would say there is a park. Number three, there is not any parks. So you are talking about parks, many. So you will use there are not any parks. Have a bank near here, and you can see at the end question mark. So it is a wrong. So you will say like this, is there a bank near here? So one thing is, many are. Question, you will start is there. So you can do all these. You can name places in a town. You can use there is or there are. You can use negatives and questions. And you also can describe your area in 4 to 5 sentences. But before this, you have to make some practices. After, you will be able to speak it more fluently and clearly. So this is your homework. You have to write 6 sentences, describe your area with there is and there are. Learn 5 more place words. Place you use often, places you use often. You often go over there. So, and record your description from 60 to 90 seconds. And it is difficult for you, then you can go with 45 seconds. And you have to record about your neighborhood. So for next class, we learn to give and follow directions, left, right, straight, on. Thank you, everyone. See you next time. Goodbye.